Hello and welcome to this new video on how to contact MetaMask support. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to get your access of MetaMask extension. So when you have gained the access of MetaMask extension, this is the interface that will be shown to you. And when you are inside this interface, you just have to look on the bottom of the screen. There will be MetaMask support text, so you can just click on it and you will be able to contact or connect to MetaMask support. And there is another way also. You just need to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be three dot icon, so you can just click on there and a pop-up box will appear, and inside the pop-up box there will be an option called support, so you can just click on that support and MetaMask support web page will be shown to you. Now you can just search and ask the MetaMask about any problem that you are currently suffering, and MetaMask will review your question and they will help you solve it. So this is how to contact MetaMask support. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.